if you want to make this level be the defaults, you come up here, go to Project Settings, Maps and Modes, and here's where you set what maps start when you open the editor. So you have a level that you're working on. You tested, everything seems fine. There are all my weapons. You hit escape, you save all this, and then you close it down and you start up a new one. And then the next time you open it back up, there's nothing there. You think maybe you're in the wrong spot, so you go to player start, you hit F, there's player start, and I don't see any of my assets. So then you might notice up here in the top, the tab says untitled, and then you think, well, I know I named the level, not really sure what's happening. You come down here to levels, and there is the level. So then you come over here to double click on it, and then that brings up your next indication that something is wrong. It asks you if you'd like to save a certain asset that you're working on, and it says Untitled 1, and that's this level right here. And so that's telling you that you have started a new level when the editor opened up again instead of the level that you created previously. I'm not going to save this, so I'll just hit that. You open it up, and then you have a sigh of relief, and you say, ah, there's my stuff. I didn't lose it, so that's good. So then you close it down, you open it back up again, and you're back at Untitled, and maybe you've started to just learn, well, I get that Untitled every time, you just have to come down here to Levels and double click on it. Well, if you want to make this level be the defaults, you come up here, go to Project Settings, Maps and Modes, and here's where you set what maps start when you open the editor. So, Editor Startup Map. Hit the drop down, and down here it says Migration Testing. That's the name of the other one I was working on. And then it says Game Default Map. We'll go ahead and change that one as well, Migration Testing, and close it. We'll save that. We'll save any changes. Open it back up again, and now you start at your level every time you open the editor.